At TenPoint Complete, quality and consistency are not afterthoughts. They are built into everything we do. It starts with our people. Every agent goes through structured onboarding and training designed to align them with your brand, your processes, and your expectations before they ever engage with customers. Training does not stop there. Our agents receive ongoing coaching, skill development, and performance reviews to ensure they stay sharp, confident, and consistent across every interaction. Quality assurance plays a major role in how we operate. Calls, tickets, and digital interactions are regularly monitored and evaluated using defined quality standards. This allows us to identify strengths, address opportunities, and maintain a high level of service across all channels. We also believe feedback is essential to improvement. We build feedback loops into every program, capturing insights from customer interactions, internal reviews, and client input. These insights help us continuously refine workflows, scripts, and escalation processes. Transparency is key to maintaining trust. Clients receive access to reporting, dashboards, and performance metrics that clearly show service levels, response times, resolution rates, and customer satisfaction trends. In addition, we conduct regular client audits and performance reviews to ensure we remain aligned with business goals and evolving needs. These reviews allow us to make proactive adjustments rather than reactive fixes. By combining disciplined quality assurance, continuous training, and open communication, TenPoint Complete delivers consistent, reliable service our clients can count on every day.